Ever wondered how humanity managed to set foot on the moon? The moon has always been a source of fascination, a celestial body that has captivated our ancestors and sparked our curiosity. Fast forward to the Cold War era, this curiosity ignited the space race, a fierce competition between two superpowers, the USA and the USSR. Their goal? To conquer not just the moon, but the vast expanse of space itself. By 1961, the stage was set for one of the most iconic moments of the 20th century. It all started with President John F. Kennedy's ambitious declaration. It was the year 1961, and the world watched as Kennedy pledged to land an American on the moon before the decade's end. A challenge, yes, but one that sparked a flame in the heart of America. This led to the birth of NASA's Apollo program, a daring venture into the unknown. Yet its inception was not without trials. The Apollo program faced a multitude of challenges, from technological hurdles to financial constraints, and even the tragic loss of the Apollo 1 crew in a fire. Each obstacle seemed insurmountable, yet with every setback, the resolve of those involved only hardened. Engineers, astronauts, and scientists alike worked tirelessly, innovating and problem-solving, turning the impossible into the achievable. The dream of reaching the moon was kept alive through sheer determination and resilience, fueled by the collective belief in Kennedy's vision. Despite numerous hurdles, the dream was kept alive. Then came the historic year, 1969. It was an era of dreams and determination, of bold aspirations and audacious undertakings. The Apollo 11 mission was a testament to this spirit. A Saturn V rocket, the most powerful ever built, blasted off from Kennedy Space Center, carrying with it 3 astronauts, Neil Armstrong, Buzz Aldrin, and Michael Collins. Their destination? Our celestial neighbor, the moon. The journey was a tense one, fraught with uncertainties and potential dangers. After a voyage of nearly 4 days, the lunar module, aptly named Eagle, began its descent. As the world held its collective breath, Eagle touched down on the Sea of Tranquility. The moment was surreal, almost dreamlike. Then Neil Armstrong took that historic step, leaving the first human footprint on the lunar surface. His words echoed across the globe. "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind." This was indeed a giant leap for mankind. The moon landing left an indelible mark on human history. It wasn't just a monumental step in space exploration, but a milestone that forever altered the course of science, technology, and society. The event ignited a global spark, inspiring a generation to dream beyond the constraints of our planet and pursue careers in the fields of science and technology. From the microprocessor revolution to the advancements in telecommunication and satellite technology, the moon landing's technological ripple effects have been far-reaching. It's fascinating to think that our pursuit of the moon led us to innovations that we now take for granted in our everyday lives. Beyond the tangible, the moon landing shifted our collective perspective. It taught us that the confines of our existence were not limited to the Earth's surface. It challenged us to think larger, to look beyond, and to continuously push the boundaries of what we deem possible. The moon landing's legacy continues to echo in today's ongoing interest in space exploration. The dream of stepping on the moon is alive and well, with plans for future manned missions not only to the lunar surface, but also to Mars and beyond. It's an exciting prospect that underscores humanity's relentless pursuit of knowledge and discovery. As we gaze up at the moon, we are reminded of our capacity to achieve the seemingly impossible when we dare to dream big.